If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat contains many drawing tools that let you add basic shapes to a PDF. In addition to the Draw Freehand button in the Quick Tools panel, which we learned how to use in the earlier lesson on adding comments, you can also draw many other types of shapes in a PDF. However, note that as of the date of this lesson's creation, only the Draw Freehand drawing tool is available in Acrobat for shared files in Adobe Cloud Storage. To use the other drawing tools in Acrobat, the file must not be a shared file. To use the drawing tools in Acrobat, click the Draw button in the Quick Tools panel, and then select the type of drawing tool to use from the side menu that appears. Remember that the Draw choice is the only drawing tool available in a shared file, and thus it will not show a side menu in this case. For non-shared PDF files, then select the type of drawing tool to use from the side menu that appears. Unlike the other drawing tool choices, however, note that selecting the Stamps Palette choice simply opens the Stamps window, which we'll discuss in the next lesson. To set the selected drawing tool's colors, click the Choose a Color for Shape button towards the bottom of the Quick Tools panel and choose a Fill Color, Border Color, and Opacity as available and as needed in the drop-down menu that appears. Note that this button doesn't appear if you select the Text Callout drawing tool. To change the selected drawing tool's line thickness, click the Change Line Thickness button towards the bottom of the Quick Tools panel and choose a line thickness from the menu that appears. For most selected drawing tools, after setting the desired drawing tool attributes, then click and drag in the desired location in the PDF page at which to add the selected type of shape. However, to draw a text callout, you click from where you want the arrow to start and release where you want the text box to appear. Then enter the text for the text callout into the text box. To draw a polygon or cloud, click at the points at which to draw the shape's border, and then click back to the starting point. To draw connected lines, click at the points at which to draw the line segments, and then double-click the last point to finish. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.